Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Haider and I'll be giving you the awareness session for Power BI. Just a brief introduction about myself. I have been working in finance domain for last 10 years and if I talk about my industry experience, I have more than 7 industry experience so far, which includes construction, property management, banking, retailing, trading, and bottling as well now. So this is more related to manufacturing. So I have been providing trainings along with this, and not only Power BI but other Microsoft tools as well. So far, I have been training for Power BI for last 5 years, and this is our new setup. We are starting in US. So let me start with the presentation. So I'm going to share the screen now, and we are going to officially start the session. Okay, I hope the screen is visible to everyone. So we are going to know about Power BI. We are going to learn everything that what Power BI does. So let's get started. So this will be our table of content. Basically, what points are we going to cover in this awareness session? So what is Power BI? What are the benefits of Power BI? Some comparative analysis, some other tools that are available in market. Why is Power BI so popular? And then comparison with the leaders table, if Power BI is exactly being the leader or not. Then I will show you some dashboards that we have created, me and my team has created, and then we are going to showcase our offer that we are going to offer you, followed by any question and answers that you have. So let's move on. So a Power BI is a business intelligence tool that allows you to create your own dashboards. When I say dashboard, it means you can create any report that you are right now building on Excel or any other software that is available in market. And how do you create it? You simply import your files in it. May it be CSV file, may it be spreadsheet, any format, PDF, text, anything you think of it, and it will be available in Power BI, any source it could be. You can connect the files to Power BI, use some data modeling tools, and use the visuals that are available in Power BI and simply create your own dashboard. Moving on, what are the benefits of Power BI? Number one, scalability. So scalability is managing the large data set in one go. It means if I compare this with my current scenario, if I'm using Excel, if I'm an Excel user, I have a limitation of million rows. And if I have so many formulas, lookups working in one sheet, another sheet, all these things, if I combine together, usually my Excel will go to not responding. And so this has been killed by Power BI. If you are using Power BI, you can load as many reports you want, as many files you want, connect the files together, use lookups, formulas, whatever. It will never hang. So scalability is it can manage large files. Moving on, data modeling. Data modeling simply means that you can connect many files together by the lookup formulas. It's not basically lookup formulas, it's basically joins. If any one of you are aware of SQL, we have joins in there. It's the same, the name is just changed, it's relationship between two files. You can join files using one by one, one to many relationships, and so on. Visualization. Visualization means that we have some pre-built visuals that are available in market. You simply need to drag your instruction in there, you simply need to drag your column in there, and your visual will be ready. Collaboration. Collaboration means you can effortlessly share your file with any of your colleague, with any of your manager, or whatever team you want to share. I'll give you an example of this. Right now, how it works, if I'm working in a company, I have a file to work on. I worked on a file, I shared it with my manager. My manager will review it, do some changes, and then share it further with his senior manager. If I'm working on Power BI and I have restriction on Power BI, for example, the first report shows me the summary of everything. The second report shows a detailed version, and the third report shows the transactional detail, the more granular data in it. So the senior manager will not be interested in the granular data. He might be only want to see the summary of it. So what we can do, we can simply share the link with him, which has restriction of the other two files. So he can click on the link anytime, any moment of the day, and he can easily review the file. So collaboration, you are not going to send email again and again. His inbox will be filling. You are not going to share it in any folder. You need to simply share the URL link and he will be able to look at the Power BI dashboard anytime. So this makes another thing easy. Automation. Automation simply means that you can automate your Power BI report. Assuming you're working in an environment where you have to update the report every day. So if you're working in such environment and you are downloading a report from software, working on it, and then sharing it with the public, what actually can Power BI can do is it can automate. It can have a time limitation on it. For example, you get the file every 5 a.m. in the morning. At 6 a.m., Power BI get refreshed, and when you join the office at 9, the report will be readily available to everyone. They just need to click on the URL link, and you will have the updated report available. Integration. I personally love this objective of integration, the benefit of Power BI, that whatever format you have available of file, even if you are going to look this up from any software, create the API, load the thing to Power BI, and start developing the report. So integration simply means you can connect any format of file to Power BI. May it be Microsoft Exchange, may it be Excel, CSV, text, or whatsoever. Moving on to the next slide, comparative analysis. As I said, do we have any other tool in market other than Power BI which offer the same things? So these are some features available on the left hand side, and then we have some of the known tools that are available in market. So the first one is Power BI, and you can see almost everything is yes in this. However, if we compare this to another tool which is Tableau, another known tool which was available in market always ever since when Power BI was not there, the only difference which I don't like in Tableau is that Tableau doesn't offer you the free source. It does have it, but not all options are available in that. So you need to buy it to have everything available. Whereas in Power BI, everything remains the same if you're using the free version, but the only thing is that you cannot publish the report. That's it. So this is another comparative analysis. Moving on. So why Power BI is popular? Number one, cost effectiveness. As we discussed that cost is something on which everyone is focusing on right now. The world is going crazy right now. So we can say that cost is something that we need to look very deeply. Honestly speaking, Power BI is the only tool which is available with full option in a cheaper price. Moving on to the next point is familiarity with Microsoft ecosystem. So this tool is from Microsoft. It means it has all the options that are available in any Microsoft tool. Most of them, the shortkeys, the shortcut, the interface, everything more or less remains the same. Other options, community and support. Power BI has a good objective of Power BI, this community and support. You can go there, ask anything you have, any question you have, ask any query you have in your mind, and the support team is sitting there. They will be ready to answer you. And the best part of Power BI is monthly updates. This is the best thing because Power BI is doing monthly updates to its engine every month. When I say monthly updates, means every month. And yes, ever since 2015, they are doing it every month. So whatever changes people suggest, whatever changes developers suggest, they are always looking into it and they are publishing the updates every mid of the month. I believe every mid of the month they are sharing the updates that this has been updated or this has been changed. Along with this, I have a leaders table on the right hand side, and you can see there are four quadrants. On the right top corner, I can see Microsoft is all alone. It means this is something which is on the top line. This leaders table is taken from Gartner. Gartner is one of the publisher which publishes every year this report. Moving on to next slide. So let me showcase some of the dashboard that me and my team has built. So this is my L&D page. It means I have a learning development department in a company, and this is how it looks like. So we have years, we have departments, businesses, we have all the headings which we saw on the index page. This is here. I can switch to any page or whatever page I want. If I want to change it to, let's say, if I just want to see 2020 data, this is how I just click on 2020 and this is converting everything to 2020. And this all has been made by Excel, the normal Excel that we download from our file, that we download from our software. We simply create this dashboard, and this makes the life easy. HR analytics dashboard. This is my whole department figure. So I have headcounts, hires, terminations, average staff age, what there is, the education, the cities, the map, and total count by month, males and females count, and so on. So this all has been created. Moving on to the financial dashboard, this shows the income part. If you want to switch to, let's say, 2018, here's the 2018, and so on. So these all the dummy dashboard, do not consider these as a published dashboard. These are dummy dashboard that has been created only for the learning purposes. Moving on, what do we offer you? So we are offering you a package of only $100 if you sign up before 27th May. So it means it's a 50% off for anyone who is joining before 27th May. The course is starting on 1st June and it will be a 12 hours course. It will be covered in the 4 Sunday sessions. So I welcome you all to join. Let me share some objectives that we are going to cover. We are going to start from scratch. It means from downloading Power BI to your system towards building a creative dashboards. These are the four objectives that we are going to cover in 4 Sundays. So that was all from my side, and I thank you all for joining, and I wish to see you in the session. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you.